This week, Dateline Schools is on the road visiting the St. Clair County Technical Education Center, where a lot of things are happening here at Tech. Tell us all about it. My special guest is the director here at Tech, Pat Yannick. We had another huge opportunity you've introduced for students at Tech this year is the Career and Technical Middle College. What's that all about?
That's something that we are in the process of developing. Next month in February, I will be attending a workshop where they will take us through the process of applying for and getting qualified, approved by the state to have technical middle college programs at Tech. This will be different than Blue Water Middle College. This is getting programs approved as middle college programs. And so at Tech, that'll be our 5 of our programs that we think will align nicely with St. Clair County Community College. It'll function similarly to Blue Water in that students will be attending high school and attending the community college simultaneously beginning in 11th grade.
Will those students also be attending part classes here at Tech too, or is it just between the high school and the SC4?
Exactly. The students normally will follow their normal Tech schedule, so they'll come here for half a day as a junior, half a day as a senior, and take their Tech program. And then their junior year, it'll be exactly the same. They'll stay at their high school, but they'll earn college credit for the time at Tech. Their senior year, they'll come to Tech for half a day, but they won't be taking classes at their high school their senior year. And then it allows them to stay in school through year 13. Year 13, they won't attend Tech or their high school. They'll take all of their classes at the community college.
Like at the Blue Water Middle College, they'll come out with an associate's degree?
They could. They don't have to. Associate degree, certificate, an industry credential. There are quite a few different options that they can choose from, which gives it some real nice flexibility. The other really big deal I want to make sure we get in there is the students do not have to transfer from their high school. They stay enrolled at their high school, so we're expecting that all 7 districts will participate and the students will be able to stay enrolled in their high school through the duration.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.